Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your Instagram accounts to your TikTok profile. So in order to do this, it's actually really easy, so let's just immediately jump into the tutorial. So literally all you need to do is open your TikTok app and then go to your profile, and then what you need to do is click on edit profile, and you want to click on add Instagram. That's literally all you need to do. Now you want to make sure to allow cookies, and literally all you need to do is log in to the Instagram account over on TikTok for which account you actually want to link. So I want to link this account for my Instagram. Then what I simply do is type in my username. So that's _, just like that. Want to double check that, and then I simply type in my password, which of course really obvious. Make sure to always remember your password, and then you want to make sure to click on login. And now it shouldn't take more than a few seconds for you to be logged in, and then we can head over to the next step. So literally right now I am logged in, as you guys can see, and what you can do is click on save info, which is really easy. So when TikTok just randomly logs you out, it will automatically log you back in. So what you now want to do is you want to simply click on allow. Doesn't really matter. It just needs TikTok just needs access to your Instagram, obviously. And literally right now we can see, and if I click on edit profile, we can see right now that my Instagram is linked to my TikTok. And right now, if people visit my Instagram, my TikTok account, then they will also see this little Instagram thing pop up, this Instagram logo. And when they click on it, they will automatically be redirected to my Instagram, of course. And we can already see that it popped up after a few seconds, as you guys can see right here. And we can see that I now will be redirected to my Instagram if you click on that. So that's how you can add your Instagram to your TikTok profile. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.